Hi, this is Vishnu. As a part of my course on Coursera, that is communication, data visualization, and communication with Tableau, this is my paid graded assignment. Here we are given some data on Dog this is the data we got from the dognation.com, and this is the data set. Here we can see the attributes in the data set. What our main aim is to we have to use Tableau in exploring the data and make some analysis and get some solution for the dognation.com website so that they can reach their by improving they can improve their users are subscribers. Based on my works on Tableau, I would suggest them to increase the give access for the free time free start user program. Explore gamification means implement achievements such as badges when they complete the whole test cases. Here, the test cases are the tests that we are conducting on the dogs, and increase this. We can also get this by increasing achievements uh, by advertisements, social media outreach, etc. And this is my work. Um, Here, this is the Tableau website. Um, we can have app we can do the work through in the online website. We have some online Tableau portal. um, Here these are the attributes, and yeah, these are my these are the graphs that I made so to make some of the outcomes. Here is the sign-in count and maximum dogs graph. This is the scatter plot. Here, from this graph, maximum when the dogs count is increasing, the sign-in count is increasing, and here we see that the most of the data is in the lower portion. So here we say that there are less sign-in counts for most of the dogs, and only from out here we can see some of the outliers. uh, mm, and the next graph, um, this is the graph for mean and median times they spend, um, that is the time between the logins and logouts. Here we can see that the most of the member ID have less logins or less time. You can see that only membership ID with two membership IDs have mean time as 16,000 as 1 crore 66 minutes. And then this is the third graph, and here I plotted some of the dog count in the map. Here we can see that the most dogs are from US, and then here we can see Australia having less, that is 148. And here you can see the filter. This is a country filter. Here we can see that the color for the less, and we can also make it, can also change it, and then can move to the next graph. Here this is the city. I have added the maximum dogs and DNA tested and the total test completed. Here we see that the New York and Relying having more number of dogs completing their test cases. And then uh, in the sheet 5, this is the, here we have city and user ID. uh, we can see that the total test cases completed in each city with IDs in this graph. We can also change these graphs to scatter plot or plot across the globe. And then this is the table chart. Here we have DNA tested dogs for some countries only. And the subscribed is less, and the total test cases completed by both they are 1,76,000. And then this is the maximum sign in count, test cases completed, and maximum dogs based on the gender of the dogs. And then okay, that's all.